Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. Now, a brief introduction about myself. My name is Natasha Zervaas and I am the founder of the Green Secrets Holistic Health Clinic. Now, I'm a certified health coach, I'm a naturopath, speaker, published author, I'm a digital course creator, and I'm also an ageless body mentor. Now, I specialise specifically in stress because that was me a few years back. So I do love helping women who are currently feeling really stressed and exhausted, help them overcome the overwhelm and transform their health from burnt out to fired up. I've also run numerous workshops and health retreats in the past. I've helped hundreds of women overcome their major health hurdles, and I do get results. I also love watching people's mindset change as well, because when we talk about healing, it's a holistic thing. It's mind, body, and spirit. So there's a lot of women out there who are feeling really stuck in a certain area of their life, and it can help them shift their mindset to one that's a more positive mindset and creating permanent change within as short a period as 3 weeks. Now, I'm going to be popping a booking link below this video, and this is for a free strategy call with myself. It goes for about 30 minutes, but places are limited. So if you are interested in having a quick chat and discussing your health goals, please grab a spot. Places really are limited because I can't literally sit on the phone 24/7. So I really look forward to working with you soon and seeing your health transform. So until then, take care. I'll see you soon.